Okay, so using the trick, the first two digits are 3, 0, and the last two digits are 5, 0. And that's it. Hi, I'm Code Crazy Logic. Before we start, I wanted to let you know I have a speed multiplication playlist, which I'll link right up here and in the description box below, as that covers many tricks similar to this one. Okay, so let's get right into the steps of this multiplication problem. Okay, so for all of these steps, we're going to be using the multiplication problem 99 times 25. So the first thing we want to do is take this 99 and divide it by 4. And in this case, 99 divided by 4 is just 24 remainder 3. And we're going to use this remainder 3 for the second step. But for right now, this 24 is going to be really key, since that's what's going to be our first two digits. So we'll write 24 right over here. And then with this remainder, we can find out the last couple digits. So if you have a remainder of 0, the last two digits are going to be 0, 0. If we have a remainder of 1, the last two digits are going to be 25. If you have a remainder of 2, the last two digits are going to be 50. And if you have a remainder of 3, the last two digits are going to be 75. Of course, if you know decimals, you'll see where these all come from. But if you don't, just memorize these and you will be okay. So in this problem, we have a remainder of 3, which is 75. So we're just going to put 75 at the end. And that's our answer for this beginner problem. So now that we have the basics of multiplying by 25, let's get into some harder examples with multiplication by 25. Okay, so now let's look at these examples. So first we have 92 times 25. And first what we want to do is we want to divide 92 by 4. Doing that, we get the answer for 23. So the first two digits are going to be 23. And then since we have no remainder, last two digits are just going to be zeros. Okay, now let's look at this next example. So we have 126 times 25. So remember, first we want to do 126 divided by 4. In this case, that would be 31 remainder 2. And now with that 31, we can put that for the first two digits. And for the last two digits, since we have a remainder of 2, that's just going to be 50. Now for the third example, we have 101 times 25. Now 101 is 1 more than 100, which is divisible by 4 completely. So 100 divided by 4 would be 25. So 101 divided by 4 would be 25 with a remainder of 1. So then we have 25 as the first two digits, and then that remainder of 1 causes another 25. So we have a 25, 25. And that actually makes sense according to our 101 trick, which is in my speed multiplication playlist. Now for this last one, we have 139 times 25. 139 is 1 less than 140, which is actually divisible by 4. So then 140 divided by 4 would just be 35. So then 139 divided by 4 would just be 34 with a remainder of 3. So we have 34 at the start, and that remainder of 3 causes a 75 to come right after it. And that's our answer for the last example. And that's all for this video actually. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to subscribe down below and comment what you thought of this video and what other multiplication tricks you would like to see on this channel. I'll see you next Monday for my MathCom Mondays playlist. But until then, stay crazy.